He is a great dreamer. He or she is someone that sees a dream, sees a vision, and gives all the efforts to making that vision a reality. Hello everyone, I'm Shyamasis Patnaik. I'm going to talk about an entrepreneur, the true qualities of an entrepreneur, and who is an entrepreneur. So, in India or in Odisha, in today's time, business and entrepreneurship is a great way of showing your potential into something creative and something unique. And in Indian economy and market, the entrepreneurs are going to give a great impact in the next 10 to 20 years of economy of India. The creative people are going to live a wonderful life in future. So today I will share the true qualities of an entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? So number one, the first trait that all entrepreneurs must possess is self-discipline. It is the quality of all the successful entrepreneurs. Self-discipline makes a person disciplined at its work and whatever he or she is doing. You go and find any successful entrepreneur. You consider the Indian icon, entrepreneurial icon, Mukesh Ambani, Odisha's icon, Ritesh Agrawal. जो entrepreneur को भी आपण देखंतु, if he or she is successful in life, then self-discipline is the trait or quality that is embodied in that person. That quality makes that person a successful entrepreneur. जदि आपण सकाळ 5 रे उठिबे भाबे कि ना आपण 8 रे उठुचंती, then you are not an entrepreneur because you are not self-disciplined and you cannot achieve anything in life. If you have took a decision to wake up at 5 a.m., then wake up at 5 a.m. So self-discipline is the first trait or quality every entrepreneur must put in himself or herself. And this quality will lead million miles for the success. Number two, the integrity. Integrity is a quality that every successful person, every successful entrepreneur must possess, because honesty or integrity towards your work will make you a better person. Because whatever you are working, okay, whether you are doing entrepreneurial into product or services, the relation you will maintain with your co-workers, your customers, your clients. आपण देखंतु जदि आपनकर वर्क प्रति ऑनेस्टी नहीं, आपण निजे वर्क पई ऑनेस्ट नहंती, आपण सीरियसली से काम को करू नहंती, और यू डोंट हैव इंटीग्रिटी, देन you cannot achieve anything in life. So first you should have integrity towards your work, and that will make you a honorable person, and that will make you a better human being, and your relations, whether it is your customers, your co-workers, like all that relations will be strengthened if you are having integrity in you. The third point that I would like to share is persistence. Persistence is a quality that takes you to the success, because there will come in an entrepreneur's journey where a failure is a certain thing. Failure is for sure, but your persistence will determine whether you are going to be success or not. Whatever the journey you have started, whatever the entrepreneurial journey you have started, if you are not persistent, if you are leaving that at the midway, then you cannot be successful in whatever you have started. So never forget why you have started and what was the reason that you took this journey, and stick to your path. Never stop it, never give up. Okay, because Oyer founder, he had told in one of his interviews that every overnight success is at least a story of 5 years struggle. Means जो जिनसे देखा हो कि just okay he got success or he got achieved all this, but no, at least 5 to 6 years that person has given the effort so that he has achieved that success. So persistence is need to be understood properly, like whatever the journey you are starting, stick to that, keep going, then success will be a definite thing. Number 4, a clear sense of direction. This is a quality must be possessed by an entrepreneur to be successful, and this quality can be developed. All these great qualities of entrepreneurs can be developed to be successful, and the quality of a clear sense of direction is really important. If you don't know what are the targets of your entrepreneurial, of your business, then if you are not good at giving targets to the co-workers and the associated members of your entrepreneurship or of your business, then it is not a good quality. So to be successful in entrepreneurial journey, you should develop a good sense of giving direction. A clear sense of direction is really important. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତି କି ନିଜେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛେ ଆଣ୍ଡ କ'ଣ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ୍ ଆମର ଅଛି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆମେ ବେଟର ଅନ୍ୟକୁ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ଟାର୍ଗେଟକୁ ମେନସନ୍ କରିବାରେ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ରୁହନ୍ତି, ଆଣ୍ଡ वी मेक ए बेटर सक्सेस, we achieve better, we achieve in a quicker way. So always the sense of a good clear direction is helpful to be successful in entrepreneurship. So the next trait, the last trait that I would like to say, the last quality of successful entrepreneurs that I would like to say, that the quality of decision making and work orientation. Be decisive and work oriented. This quality is really important. आपनकर entrepreneurship journey रे बहुत ही helpful रहेगा and you can achieve great success. So work orientation is another important factor. Means whatever the decisions you are taking, work on that decision, and whatever the mistakes, if sometimes like mistakes are the part of success, right? So जदि आपनकर किछि mistake भी होची, you should be not thinking about the mistake for a long period of time. You should be recorrecting that. You should be keep working, avoiding that mistake, solve that mistake and keep going, because mistake is a part of actions. So if mistakes is happening, then just move on, then recorrect that, try something else. So yeah, overall these are the 5 qualities that I think really important for success of an entrepreneur. So number 1, as I told, the quality of self-discipline. Number 2, the integrity. Number 3, the quality of persistence. And number 4, the clear sense of direction. And number 5, work orientation and decision making. If you are developing these 5 qualities, then it is definite that you can achieve great success in your entrepreneurial journey. So yeah, if you like the video, then share with your friends and family, and those who are starting their journey into entrepreneurship, so you can share with them.